Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious veggie burger. First, select your primary vegetable base, like hearty black beans or earthy mushrooms. Next, prepare your binding ingredients, such as 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs or 2 tablespoons of flaxseed meal mixed with water. Finally, gather your favorite spices and herbs to infuse your patty with incredible flavor, ensuring a truly satisfying culinary experience for everyone. Now, let's get our hands dirty. Mash your main vegetable ingredient, whether it's black beans or chickpeas, leaving a little texture for a more enjoyable bite. Then, in a large bowl, combine these mashed vegetables with your binding agents and all your chosen spices. Mix everything until well combined. Finally, shape the mixture into 4 to 6 uniform patties, each about 1 inch thick, ready for cooking. There are several excellent ways to cook your veggie burgers to perfection. You can pan-fry them in a skillet with a tablespoon of oil over medium heat for about 5 minutes on each side until golden brown. Alternatively, bake them on a parchment-lined baking sheet at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, flipping halfway. Grilling also works wonderfully, taking 4 to 6 minutes per side. The final step is assembling your masterpiece. Start by toasting your favorite burger buns until they are lightly golden and warm. Next, place your perfectly cooked veggie patty on the bottom bun. Then, layer on fresh toppings like crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and thinly sliced red onion. Finish with your preferred condiments, perhaps a dollop of ketchup or a zesty aioli for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.